Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 但 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now let's write 但 但 but yet only 但是 but how do we know? 但是我们怎么知道？我们怎么知道？但是 but 我们怎么知道 But how do we know? 但是我们怎么知道？但 in cursive 但 but yet only 但是 but how do we know? 但是我们怎么知道？但 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 但. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.